Merry Christmas! Wow! Ka-early sa tong Pasko line.
I know.
Soon to be new parents. I'm Pasko. How's the leche flan? Tingnan ko sa ano lang ha. Taste, sa texture. Yes. How's the texture? Is it gahi?
No, it's good.
Can you taste the coconut?
Mmm.
Ooh, I like the reaction.
It's not sweet. It's perfect.
Wow! Dili gahi na eh. Dili gahi. Ooh, I like that. Be, yung reaction naman ni Mark, ni Kuna natin.
It's good. It's airy, you know, but may laman na.
It's good. Yeah, I can taste the sugar in there.
Oh yeah? Yung granulated na sugar? Meron? Or wala naman?
It's like syrupy sugar.
Oh! May secret ng paggawa niyan.
It's good, eh? Really good.
Okay. I cannot wait.
Not too light, yeah. It's
heavy.
Yeah.
I like that. Okay, bili na kayo. The cutest piano I've ever seen. This is so cute. Di ba ka ba mo piano?
Listen? Listen mo.
Yeah, I think so.
Listen. Mo ba na?
Okay. Alright, let's do Jingle Bells. Jingle Bells? Or
Okay.
Christmas?
Jingle bells, like seed. Hey! Mulihok siya.
Let me go back. Mali ko na ito.
Wow! So cute! Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Cute siya, no?
Yeah, cute.
Thank you to your student. So cute. Asa na? Huh?
Wow!
Tinuoray na piano.
Uy, ang naong wait, gusto ko pagbali. Gusto ko pagbali!
Beethoven na. Bugat kaya kung kamo.
You can go faster, te.
Wow! Layo sa nila.
Yeah, idot mo mayo.
Puto. Oh!
There you go. Wala ka nag-time.
Nalingaw ko eh. Asa ni paliton?
Sa Lego.
I like this.
Sana yun.
Ow! Mahadlok magud ko, magubaon niya ba? Twinkle, twinkle.
Okay, maestro.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Video. Wow. Disassembling this piano.
Yeah, there's so many parts.
Yawa sa level, no? Hindi siya naghatag ng mga nilay, oh.
I know, I did not expect.
Well thought kaayo ang gift to this piano, excellent piano teacher.
And
Wow.
they're out of stock.
Really?
Because when this one was released,
This is
daghan mo nag-order.
Yeah, ako na-amaze gani ko ani. Wow.
So, ang akong estudyante, ang iyang mama, gitagan siya. Iyang i-give niya kang son.
Ani?
Estudyante, ani. And this costs like 500.
Woo!
400.
Yeah. Worth
And then,
siya.
I mentioned it to her, like, did you know that there's a Lego piano, Benji?
Christmas. Buntit. Kasi hatag ni buntit. What's that?
It's a gift.
Where did he get this? Okay. Here's a beautiful, useless box. Thanks, Archie-koy. Okay. Push. Push. Like? Woo! Thank you. I have a Christmas gift. Thank you. Wow. Smells good. Oh, thank you, Lai. Thank you, Mark. See?
Hopefully, din
Wala na si Benedict. Nilarga na si Benedict. Oh, that's so cute. Origins? Oh, yeah. Kaya ano man siya? Natural.
Origins.
Natural ingredients.
Let me know if you like the tree.
Maayong Pasko. Thank you to this useless box. It's not useless na because you are... Oh.
That's just the mechanism.
Yeah. Pero di na siya useless life because you're making use of it as a decoration. Ano yun, Mark? Makalingaw na. Okay, we're watching this.
Stress remover.
Yeah. Okay, we'll be watching movie. See you later. Huh? So, did you open?
Yes.
So, Mark, makakabili ka talaga kasi she figured it out. What?
Wait,
May,
that's a divider?
yeah. There's a pocket and then two dividers. Tapos may ano pa sa likod.
Then, this is for my phone.
And then even if I put a lot of things sa loob, it still looks packed nga.
Okay.
It looks packed pero parang hindi marami ang laman.
Mark, I like
Hala, Mark! Terereng!
I like this kaysa YSL.
Sige, Lai. Ilista, Lai.
Di ba sa YSL, te? Ako mag-isuday. Kailangan ko ang kinay packet.
Hey, pocket. Right? But there's no zipper.
Yeah, walay zipper. Mas gusto ko may packet. Na zipper, I mean.
Wait lang, wait. Sandali lang.
Mark.
Okay, let's go! Let's go! Come on! I like this. But I have the clutch.
Gusto ko, ano kinain?
Benedict! Oh. Okay, exchange. 1 week. For baby. Push present. Like push present.